Which batch are you in and what do you like most about it?
I'm in Raman 3.0 batch, and I have to admit that teachers here really do listen and do care about the children. And really means if I have any doubt or any type of problem, they'll listen and then they'll act upon it. So I like it, and the support system is possible. I'm really great.
I'm from a point of batch and really like the support system and the personal mentorship. It's really good, and whenever we need them, they're always there. So I like it.
Awesome.
Hello, Bhaiya. I am from Raman 3.0. And the most important thing about Sayastra is it's not a coaching, it's a family, which, every single mentor, teachers and students, they form kind of community which learns and grows. Where teacher teach something and the students, they're not like taking it as a coaching, but it is as a life learning. And the best thing about Sayastra is the mentors and the support system of the, yes. They treat us like a family, not like students.
What do you feel about personal mentorship? Like personally asking you a question just to improve. Do you see it valuable or not? Or how?
Yeah, personal mentorship is among 5-10 students, there's one single person mentor. And they look after each and every single thing which we are facing daily. They help us in preparing our schedule. They also cross-check that we are following the schedule or not. And also then they give us a track of what are the things we have to do. They help us by suggesting few things which they have committed the mistake. And we could improve from that because our mentors are alumnus from ISA and ISA. They are doing their third year.
Are you improving?
Yes. We are benefiting from that.
Yeah.
I'm from Raman 3.0 batch, and I must say whether it's personal mentorship or the mentorship which we get in life classes, everything is from my side is the best.
I will actually going to, and I just have to say one thing. They give so much effort in everything, like whether it's personal mentorship or doubt solving sessions or interaction sessions. They never let us feel the thing which we feel usually in our drop years. So it's really good for us. Thank you.
East always.
Yeah.
No, you guys are the best. And you guys are going to get selected for ISC Bangalore, either Pune.
The way of teaching here is completely unique and different. I have never seen anything like that in other coachings which I tried earlier.
This is not a coaching, it's a family.
Yeah. Other institutions, but here it's genuine quality and not quantity. Quality and not quantity. Quantity with quantity. Very hard work. Really nice.
Awesome.
And they also put a lot of endeavors for improving our experience in everything like studies. They also seek out for our personal life. So.
Even Bhaiya, one more thing.
Yeah.
The best thing about Sayastra is the teachers are young. They know our problems. And it's not the age gap that usually students and teachers face about the generational gap which we have with teachers and students. So most of the time they overlook our problem or they
They are
just...
like your elder brothers and sisters.
Yeah, so here in Sayastra we have our bhaiyas and didis, not sisters and ma'ams. That's the best thing. Thank you.
They went through the same thing which we are going through now,
And they are
and
guiding us.
that's why their guidance is very valuable and benefiting for us.
Amazing.
Thank you.
Hi guys. So.
Hi.